It's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this is another episode of our Money Market Update. My eyes are going to wander a little bit here because I'm going to be getting to some different numbers. I want to go over where housing prices have gone in the City of London over the past, or I guess for the first half of 2013. So we're going to get into that in 2 seconds, but before that, we need to go over the past week's numbers. So new listings came in at 209s, conditionally sold 50, and pending sold 145. So again, pending sold is just means the property is closed. It's just waiting for close date to come. Anyways, pretty consistent numbers here. We had a little die off a few weeks ago, again because of the long weekend, which we normally see. That seems to be the trend, but pretty overall healthy market. Again, we still probably need to see some more listings coming to market. However, it is what it is. And let's get into the second part that I want to talk about here, which is May's data is in. And in the City of London, so we're just talking City of London here, the median home price, we're now sitting at $629,900. Now, why that is important is if we wind back all the way to January of this year, where we started the year, the median home price was at $532,500. And why that's important is, well, we've seen mortgage rates do this, and housing prices are following. I know there's been a lot of chatter where people have talked a lot, call it over the past 18 months, that housing prices are going to come down. Well, they did come down. We saw the correction a long time ago, and even though borrowing costs are increasing, housing prices are increasing. And that's just because the reality, we have record immigration in this country, and we are not pumping out enough new build homes. So the cost to build a new home is still quite a bit higher than resale, like significantly higher. But the reality is, hey, there's money out there and they're buying homes. So, and why I want to touch on this is if you are thinking about doing something, whether it's selling or buying, but let's just talk if there's involvement on the buying side, you need to start developing a plan and dotting your I's and crossing your T's, because I do not foresee this market slowing. In fact, I do only see it increasing, because at some point they are going to drop rates. And you can just imagine over the past 6 months, if we've already seen a $100,000 increase in the median home price in the City of London, if, and I'm going to throw out there if mortgage rates drop by 1%, maybe 1.5%, which I think would be pretty drastic. I don't think that's going to happen. But let's say they peel back 1%. It's only going to fuel demand further. So my advice to everybody, if you're looking at buying, is you should probably look at buying because the data is the data, and that is people are still paying top dollar for homes. We're back seeing multiple offers. That's been going on for a good month to 2 months now, where, again, if you're in that 650 and below and you're priced bang on and the property's presented well, it's going in multiples. So, the turnaround has happened. The correction was long gone 6 months ago. So anyways, that's it. Again, if you got any questions on this topic, it's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team. Thanks for tuning in.